Good afternoon, students. In the previous lecture of object-oriented programming in Python, I discussed about how to pass parameters inside method using classes. This one was the program I have already discussed. And the name of the class is CL1 and method is ME1. I am passing three parameters PR, RA and TI. PR stands for principal, rate and time. Then return is principal multiply rate multiply time divided by 100. Then the creation of object is there. Then the passing of values from the user side. And then I pass these values inside these parameters. Let's execute this one. Suppose this one is 1300, rate is 12% and time is for 20 years. Let's check that. Principal 1300, rate is 12 and time is 20 and simple interest is 3120. Okay. Now what is the target of today's video? Suppose I am writing directory and name of the class, this one is CL1. Okay, let's execute this one. Look at the data here. You can display the attributes present in the given class. These are the attributes basically. Whatever is there inside class. ME1 is there, this one is method at the top. And these are the by default values: dictionary, directory, document, format, get attribute, hash. These are the by default values of CL1. Now, one more thing is there. Suppose we are writing CL1 dot double underscore dictionary, then double underscore. Now press enter. Now what is the meaning of this? You can find the functionality of these methods. Look at this one. ME1 function main CL1 dot ME1 used self PR, RA and TI. These are the contents. Look at this one. You can see the parameters here and other values which are by default present. Similarly, you can find out the other contents also. Now, let's design one more class to understand private and public contents of the class. Private and public. Okay. Let the class is CL2. This one is second class. Then define double underscore init double underscore then self. Now, suppose I am writing self dot. Suppose I am writing name is equal to, in double quotes, Sukhveer Singh. Suppose this one is the name. This one is public attribute. Public attribute. Now, suppose I am writing self dot followed by 2 times underscore roll number is equal to, suppose I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is private attribute. Now, two types of attributes are there. One is public, second is private. After that, one method, define display. I'm passing self here. Then print. Suppose I am writing name here, name. Then self dot name. Then print. I am writing in double quotes the roll number. Self dot 2 times underscore. Then roll number. Now creation of object. OB2 is equal to CL2. Then assessing the public attribute. Suppose I have to assess the public attribute. Write print. Then name. Simply I have to write object. Then dot name. Okay. Name is equal to Sukhveer Singh. Suppose I am writing here OB2 dot display. Now execute the program. I can see the first value print name is equal to OB2 dot name, and then second is OB2 dot display. I can display these two contents. Okay. Now what is the difference between private and public attribute? Suppose I am writing here print similar to name. Suppose I am writing roll number. Okay, let us check this one. Suppose I am writing OB2 dot underscore roll number. Look at this one. CL2 object has no attribute 2 times underscore roll number. Now what is the meaning of this one? It means you can't access this one. This one is private. Look at this one. But you can display these contents inside the class. From outside the class, you can't access these variables. You are trying to access these private data outside the class. This one is not possible. Now, the learning of today's lecture. First of all, you can use directory and you can check all the methods which are by default inside the class, or you either defined by you, or you can check constructors also. And second one is you can see that part whichever lies. Suppose dictionary is lie inside this. Look at this one, dictionary is lie inside, and you can find out the mapping proxy of this dictionary. Then what is the meaning of private and what is the meaning of public? How can you design public and private attributes? And assessing of private attribute is not possible outside the class. Thanks for watching my video. In the next lecture, I will discuss about constructors used in Python.